Xiaomi 12T, 12T Pro specification and price leaked, what we know so far. Xiaomi 12T and Xiaomi 12T Pro's alleged renders and specifications have leaked online ahead of the smartphone series launch, as per a report. These leaked renders suggest that the rumored smartphone series could launch in at least two color options. This report highlights that the Xiaomi 12T Pro and Xiaomi 12T will feature different SOCs and primary camera sensors. The Xiaomi 12T Pro is expected to feature a 200 megapixels camera, whereas the Xiaomi 12T is more likely to get a 108 megapixels camera. The Xiaomi 12T series is expected to launch in October. Xiaomi 12T, Xiaomi 12T Pro, expected price. Xiaomi 12T is expected to come at a price of roughly 51,700 rupees, 649 euros, in Europe, according to a report by WinFuture. The Xiaomi 12T Pro is expected to come at a price of roughly 67,600 rupees, 849 euros, in Europe. The report has also shared some key specifications and purported render of the upcoming phones. According to the renders, the smartphones could come in at least two blue and black color options. According to another recent report, the Xiaomi 12T series would likely launch globally in October, alongside an unidentified Redmi Pad tablet. Xiaomi 12T Pro, expected specifications. Reportedly, Xiaomi 12T Pro will run on Android 12-based MIUI 13. It can feature a triple rear camera setup with an LED flash as well, as per the purported renders. At the front, the handsets can be seen with a hole pinch cutout. It is expected to house the selfie camera. On the right side, the handsets could get the volume rockers and the power button. As per the report, the Xiaomi 12T Pro would be powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC with up to 3.2 GHz of maximum frequency. The smartphone is said to get up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. The smartphone will reportedly debut in some countries with an 8 GB RAM option as well. The smartphone is likely to get a triple rear camera setup with an LED flash.